Should you do video marketing in 2021? Have you thought about doing video marketing for your business, but not sure if it's really worth it or if it even really works? I mean, it seems like a lot of work, and there's that whole being on camera thing. Hi, I'm Chey Loraine, your corporate marketing director, and today I'm talking about video marketing. Should you do video marketing in 2021? Yes or no? Please let me know in the comments below. And while you're there, please do me a favor and subscribe to this channel. I would so appreciate it. It would mean a lot to me. And don't forget to click the bell for notifications because you don't want to miss a thing. This channel is focused on giving you the marketing tips, tools, and tactics you need to succeed. So, video marketing, yes or no? The answer is yes. 100% yes, 1,000% yes. We're going to talk about why you should do video marketing. And please stay all the way to the end because I'm also going to give you some thoughts on why you should not do video marketing. There are so many benefits to video marketing, especially when you're using it to educate people. So educational videos is what we're talking about today. Now you might be thinking, you have to have a huge following or you have to get thousands of video views on YouTube to matter or to be successful with video marketing. But this is simply not true. There is no better way to sell you than you. And that's what video does. When you do video marketing, people get to know you. They get a sense of who you are. You get the opportunity to share information that people need, information that can help people. Now, you might be saying, yeah, I've been thinking about video, but I'm not pretty enough, or I'm not polished enough, or I'm just not interesting enough. Listen up, you are all those things. There is an audience for everyone. You may not be everyone's cup of tea, but rest assured you're someone's cup of tea, and there are a lot of people who would be interested and benefit from learning from you. Trust me, I know how you feel. In fact, I have a confession to make. I've been producing video for other people for years, and I would tell them exactly what I'm telling you now. And this is all completely true. But ever heard the saying, do as I say, not as I do? Well, I'm embarrassed to admit that was me. You see, in my own head, I was like, I'll start my own channel when I lose weight. What? Yep, that's right. When I'm skinny enough, that's when I'm gonna do video. You're probably saying, Chey, that's silly, right? But I guarantee someone right now is thinking the same exact thing. If that's you, be brave and let me know that I'm not alone in the comments below. You see, years went by, and guess what? I never got skinnier, and I didn't do video, and I missed out on a lot of opportunity because of it. But I knew all along I wanted to do it, so I started checking out other people's channels, and sure, some of those channels were like, wow, I can't be that. I can't do it that good. But then I started to notice as I continued to watch that there were a lot of real people just like me and just like you out there who were killing it with video. I started to change my mindset. I started to think, if they can do it, maybe I can do it too. I mean, it's really not about me anyway, and it's definitely not about the way I look. People ask me questions all the time about marketing. They see my work, they hear about my expertise, they learn about my decades of experience, they email me, they call me, they message me, they text me. They don't care what I look like. They don't care about chubby cheeks. They just want to know what I know. It's not about me, it's about how I can help them. And it's the same for you. In your business, you have expertise, knowledge, information that people need to know. So share it with them. You can do this. Put that negative self-talk aside and start thinking about how you can help make a difference by sharing information that people need. The name of the game right now in 2021 is digital media content. You're going to be able to use these videos in a variety of ways. For example, in addition to putting it on your YouTube channel, you're also going to put it on your website, send it out in email blasts to your customers, prospects, and partners. You can use video in automated drip campaigns that can be distributed through your CRM. You can put videos on Facebook, on Instagram, and other social media platforms. You're gonna get a lot of mileage out of these videos, so it's gonna be worth the effort that you put into it. Okay, So we know why you should do video, but why should you not do video? You should not do video if you're not going to do it consistently. Whether it's once a week or every 2 weeks or even once a month, video is going to require consistency. Marketing, whether it's video marketing or otherwise, it's like exercise. It doesn't work if you just do it once. Trust me, I know, I worked out once. So you also can't just do it for 1 month and expect monster results. Video is something that builds over time. But trust me, it's so worth it. So are you with me? Are you gonna finally start doing video and launch your YouTube channel? Let me know in the comments below. Also, if you got value out of today's video, please let me know by giving me a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Your success is my success, and I want you to kill it in 2021 with amazing, awesome, dynamic video. You can do this.